All right, this is the marketing system that I was talking about, and it's 100% free. So yeah, this is an awesome system where you can share this replicated page coded to your referral code or your cloud token code. And this is where they would, you would direct your your potential referrals, or share with your friends and family, and they can go through the process of signing up or just opting in, and then learning about the cloud token. Even if they don't decide to join, let's say they didn't download the application, or just let's say they just wanted to learn about it more. It has an automated follow-up emails, and hopefully that will catch their attention again, and then go through the sign up process. It's an awesome system, and it's 100% free. So you just have to enter in your email and go through the process. It has several or many different video tutorials, and yeah, it's an awesome system. It's called Coinonomy. Yeah, this is the best system I know that's out there that you can refer others to. The other website that I'm referring to, or the other website that I need to talk about, is the Cloud Token Wallet, which is this is the official website where you can download the application, and it has its own tutorials, PowerPoint presentation, and you can learn more about the Cloud Token application or the system. It's available on the Apple and Android. So if you really want to learn about the project itself and the future projects that Ronald I is introducing in October, I believe. There's like if you subscribe to my YouTube channel, there's a live event that took place in, I think, in Malaysia, or I think it's Malaysia, or Singapore. And they talk about the Jarvis trading, and they do again a demonstration in that live event, and then they talk about the future projects. Anyways, that's pretty much it. If you guys have any questions or concerns, just reach out to me on Facebook, or also should have a telephone number somewhere in the description of this YouTube video. And then yeah, that's it. So hope you guys learn about the cloud token. Again, do your due diligence before you get into something. Feel confident about the program or the opportunity you're getting into before. And again, there's always a risk in anything in life. There's also always a risk in your job, or even traveling on your vacation, things of that nature. But if you don't take that risk, then nothing will happen, right? So just have to, run with it, do the best you can to learn about the system and feel confident, and go from there. Anyways, that's it. All right, we'll see you guys on the next video.